sir, and all of you, my dear friends. I am Sunal Kumar, B from first year. My topic is technology change the world. What is technology? The definition of technology is science or knowledge put into practical, practical use to solve problems or invent useful tools, computer and the internet. The ability to perform basic thinking process must faster enables business, science and commerce to proceed much more efficiently. Technology and your career, retail, arts, education, law enforcement, medicine, science, physiology, agriculture, and defense. Technology is in retail. Technology is changing the way many business operate for the better company and its customers. Top retail examples: personalized retail marketing and content delivery, optimal staffing level indicators, cashier, cash, cashierless payment systems, movement tracking systems for optimal step, enable warehouse robots. Technology used in arts. Many artists work exclusively with computer. Artists display and sell work using web galleries. Dance and music program use computer to create new performance. Museum use technology to enhance visitor experience. Technology used in education. Course management such as Blackboard or Moodle. Research tools for a student. Simulation and interest instructional software and the web are learning tools. Virtual tours of many museums and websites. Computerized education could increase classroom success. Technology used in law enforcement. Technology in law enforcement to involve get powering of police, automatic license plate recognition, those letters and numbers on our cars help law enforcement. Determine robot take camera, police officer can everywhere at once crime sense and some situation are too dangerous. Technology used in medicine. Medical technologies can be used for diagnosis, the process of figuring out what wrong the someone for the treatment process of making someone better. Diagnosis technologies include the stethoscopes and hypodermic needle, blood pressure cuffs, Mary sensors, heart monitors, and EKG machine. Technology used in science. Behind the fact that technology is both a process and result, science technology developments provide the tools used in many forms, satisfy and experimentation from central flux used for the separation of fluids, computers program used in the study of quantum physics. Technology used in physiology. Technology has transformed the study of physiology. It has led to information in treatment, educator assessment and research. Technology used in agriculture. Modern technology used in agriculture for high productivity. Information technology in the entry of information technology has spared the progress agriculture of the data accumulated from soil with agriculture soil quality getting the contaminated and depleted by the day of the day. Technology used in defense. Artificial intelligence and robotics will play the significant role in many defense applications such as robots driven by artificial intelligence can travel through dangerous areas, perform remote operation and most expert system for the diagnosis and maintenance of advanced weapon systems such as radars and missiles. Thank you.